So hey my loves, back with yet another video, and this is just how I organized my closet to fit me and my son's belongings in. So let's get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I decided to show you guys my closet. So yes, if you go back and look at my declutter video for my closet, it was not looking like this. So I love my little light, you guys. I had this in my RV, and it's just a push light. So if you look at the top of my closet, it is kind of deep. I wish I had another shelf to put up there. I'm gonna look into maybe adding another shelf up there. But yes, this is my clothes. Pants one side, tops and jackets on the other side. Then I have this little section in the middle, and it's just like my tank top shirts. I have his bassinet in there, which I took everything off to wash everything. Then I have my cleaning supplies, hamper. Just, yes, it's a lot going on in there. So I think I'm gonna take this side and make it his. So that means I have to take all of my stuff down and move all of that, push my stuff over this way. His hamper will go on the floor in here, but now it has like all of his clothes and things in there, and the Amazon box will come down. All of this stuff will come down except the bins. His white warmer is up there, so a lot of this stuff will be eliminated because it has to come out and be put somewhere. His boppy pillow, just these little bags here with the samples that he got in, has to come down as well. Then he has stuff in the Amazon box up there. So the majority of stuff is there. Then he has the stuff over here in this corner that I'm gonna decorate his little side with. He has these two little black shells his sister gave him. So he has all of that to be put up. But so far, I've already started trying to declutter this. I've made space for him there for his bins. I just don't know if I want to swap my bins out because his bins are a blue color, and I just hate that I have all of this pink up. But mommy loves pink, so he'll have his little section with his blue. And I have this piece in the back of my bed. I'm gonna move this nightstand somewhere because I'm gonna use this to put by my bed for all of his little needs. Not sure yet what I'm gonna do here because I have my chargers plugged up here. And I love this outlet, you guys. I got it from Walmart for about $19.99. And it has the 2 outlet plugs, but it also has 2 USB ports on the side. I also had that in my RV. And then a little picture. Oh, and there's my trash can. I found that at Ross, and it's just a push top, or you can step on the bottom latch and it lets up. So I'm gonna turn on my closet lights, and on the door is still all of my shoes, but as you see my closet, I think it looks a lot better. So I separated my closet into 2 sides. Here is my side. As you can tell, it has the pink, and you know, I just pretty much push my clothes over there. I got a smaller hamper so that it fits over there perfectly. I got these hangers from Sheen, and they actually hold 9. They have 9 holes, and so yeah, it kind of helped me to push my clothes out of the way. And then I have like my pants all folded up in there. And then on his side, I have his smaller diaper bags hanging up, and I just took and put some screws up there. So he has all 3 of his diaper bags there. He has his 2 bigger diaper bags. We took that diaper bag to the hospital. He has his bathtub up here with the, let me see if I can reach it. Yes, this is his little bath net insert that he would sit on when he does take his bath. So he's not using that yet, so that's in the closet. And these are the bottles we use. they're designed to reduce feeding issues, colic, gas, and reflux. So I want to focus on those. And they tell you they're there for 0 months plus. So they're perfect for him. Here I have these little clothes dividers, and they go from newborn all the way up until like I think 24 months. And so these is his newborn outfits. These are, which he's actually wearing preemies right now, you guys. My baby is small. These are his 0 to 3. Those are 3 to 6, and then he has his 6 to 9 and so on hanging down here. This organizer his aunt got him off of Amazon, and I have all of his little shoes up in here. Those fell over. So yes, he has all of his little shoes up in here. All of his little booties, his little house shoes. He has some bigger shoes up in there that it will take time. He has his diaper changing pad that I made him, but so far his diaper bags have one. I'm gonna put it in a smaller diaper bag. He has swaddle blankets. He has some little onesies that I threw up in there, and he has some white onesies in there as well that his brother just got him, and I didn't hang them up or anything. I just folded them up and put them there. He has his hamper, and I just went to Walmart and got him a little shelf, 3-tier shelf, and I made these little tags. I already had these from Christmas time, little Christmas trees, and this is all of his extra bottles. So to know what everything is, I labeled it bottles. He has all of his sleepers. Here he has his pants and gowns, and then he has blankets there. And then I found this one. It just says things, and I believe I got it at Family Dollar. And in here he just has things that he would normally have. He has his bottle rack, nipples from the hospital, an extra head guard for his car seat, and just random little things like that in there. He has his ink pad when I do his footprint for his book. So we keep those in the things. He has some shoes that his sister gave him as well. This bin came from Walmart, and we keep some bigger blankets and hangers in there. This is his milk pail. Got it, it's Dr. Brown's, and got it from Walmart. And I love it because when I get ready to make his milk, you know, you just go like that, and it actually mixes up the milk for you. So I'm going to be getting ready to use that, so I can take that out because I have to make him some formula. On top, I keep a mosquito net his cousin got him, and then an extra bassinet blanket. And that is our closet. So he has his side like the room, and I have my side. Our light usually shines brighter, but it's going dull because I've been using it a lot. Thank you guys for watching.